Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017 and the question goes thus. Calculate the refractive index of the interface when a ray travels from water to glass given that the absolute refractive indices of glass and water are 3/2 and 4/3 respectively. So if we are to calculate the refractive index in this situation, which is just the ratio of the refractive index of water to the refractive index of glass. Okay, and these we already have the values in the question. Okay, so the refractive index of water as given is 4/3 to divide the refractive index of glass, which is 3/2. Okay, so mathematically, if we are to convert the division sign, which means the denominator will become the numerator, that is, it will be inverted. So we have 2/3. Okay, so now 4 times 2 will give us 8. 8/3 times 3, which is 9. So this is the refractive index. So the answer option A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.